Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix Fortnite not opening. Easy and quick. If you want to fix it, all you have to do first, just click here, and after that type here background apps, and click on it, and then turn off this option to turn off all those applications here, and now close it. And after that type here graphic settings, and then make sure to enable this option. And now just right click on Fortnite, go to properties, compatibility, and then enable those three options, this one and this and first one here, and make it Windows 8. Then click apply, and after that click run compatibility troubleshooter, try recommended settings, and then click test program, and you will find that your problem is fixed. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.